Welcome to Wealthy Reads, your trusted source for financial book insights. Today, we're delving into Big Money Thinks Small, Biases, Blind Spots, and Smarter Investing by Joel Tillinghast. This book is a valuable guide for investors looking to make smarter decisions by understanding their cognitive biases and avoiding common pitfalls. Joel Tillinghast, a highly respected portfolio manager at Fidelity Investments, shares his wisdom on how to navigate the complexities of the financial markets. His book focuses on the psychological aspects of investing and how our biases can lead to suboptimal decisions. Tillinghast begins by discussing the most common biases and blind spots that affect investors. He covers a range of cognitive biases, such as overconfidence, confirmation bias, and the tendency to follow the herd. By understanding these biases, Tillinghast argues, investors can better manage their emotions and make more rational decisions. One of the strengths of Big Money Thinks Small is its practical approach. Tillinghast provides concrete strategies for recognizing and mitigating these biases. He emphasizes the importance of thorough research, patience, and a long-term perspective. His advice is grounded in his extensive experience and backed by numerous real-world examples. The book also explores the concept of value investing. Tillinghast explains how to identify undervalued companies with strong fundamentals and avoid the traps of overhyped stocks. He highlights the significance of investing in businesses you understand and trusting your own analysis rather than market noise. Tillinghast's writing is clear and engaging, making complex concepts accessible to all readers. He balances technical insights with practical advice, ensuring that both novice and experienced investors can benefit from his teachings. A key takeaway from Big Money Thinks Small is the importance of humility and self-awareness in investing. Tillinghast reminds us that no one has all the answers and that successful investing often involves learning from mistakes and staying disciplined. In summary, Big Money Thinks Small by Joel Tillinghast is a must-read for anyone serious about improving their investment strategy. It offers invaluable insights into how to think critically, avoid common pitfalls, and make smarter investment decisions. Thank you for tuning into Wealthy Reads. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful book reviews. Invest wisely.